Hello out there, everyone. How are you doing? Hope you are having a fabulous day. So apparently I'm the only person at Galvanize that decided to come in and do some work today. So it is incredibly quiet, and we've got this amazing smooth surface. So I'm on the board, taking advantage of it. Let's see if you can see it. But it's New Year's Eve. 2018 is just over the horizon. And so I thought I'd take this opportunity to first of all say Happy New Year's to everyone out there. I hope, like me, you're thinking about the positive opportunities that exist for you in 2018. How can you build upon the successes and the things you've learned in 2017? Now, we're all human. We've all encountered challenges, frustrations, things that make us nuts. But don't dwell on the negative. Instead, look at the positive. Look at the chance to grow, demonstrate your value, build new relationships, and really achieve the goals that you have for yourself. Set some big ones, some long-term ones. Set some smaller, attainable ones that lead to those long-term ones. I, for one, am reevaluating who I do business with, how I do business with them, the types of products and services that are offered. How can I add more value to the people I serve? So that is what I'm thinking about. There are going to be big changes in my business, and I'm excited about it. I hope you're excited about the opportunities before you. All right, so I will let you get back to New Year's Eve and thinking about all the opportunities you have before you and how you're going to capitalize on them. All right, Happy New Year once again. Go into 2018 with a positive attitude. You can accomplish miracles. All right, my friends, have a good one.